So hey guys, in this video I will tell you how you can fix something went wrong in your filter section. So guys, if you also use filters on Snapchat, you must have faced a problem of something went wrong. So in this video I will tell you how you can fix this issue. So guys, if you want to fix this issue, then first of all you have to update your Snapchat application from your Play Store or App Store. And then friends, make sure that you have a good internet connection via your Wi-Fi or your mobile data, because if your internet connection is weak, then you will also face this kind of issue. And friends, in our third method, make sure that your phone has a good storage, because if your phone has low storage, then it can also cause this kind of issue. And friends, in our last step, simply, if you face this issue again, then simply tap on your Snapchat application and then tap on app info. And friends, here you have to tap on the clear data and then tap on the clear cache or manage space, and here you have to tap on the delete option. So guys, as you tap on the delete option, then all the bugs or issues which is available in your Snapchat application will be fixed, and as you log in your Snapchat again, then you will not face this kind of something went wrong issue in your filter section. So guys, I hope this video help you, and if you have any question or doubt, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe to our channel to get more interesting and informative videos like this.